I've been gushing about how much I love Lovable for the beautiful websites, for the easy integrations. There are some hiccups, problems with Lovable, but most of it gets really, really well. That's why I spent over $2,000 on Lovable credits. But is it really that good compared to competition? That's a question I've been getting from a lot of people. And so let's put it to the test. So I got Lovable right here on the right side. On the left side, I've got Replit. And let's give them the same prompt and see how they perform. Okay. The first thing we will do is that we need to go to ChatGPT and we need to ask it to generate as a prompt for Lovable and Replit, yeah, so that we know they have the same instructions. So here we're telling it to, hey, um, create a website to build an elegant premium barbershop called Gaithersburg Fade Studio. Integrate with Stripe using test mode for online payments, resend for email confirmations of the payments, and Gemini for chat and Google Map for location. All right, let's go. All right. Okay, we got it. Now let's put it here and let's put it here. All right, when I'm pasting text into Lovable, I can see the actual text, but on Replit, I cannot see the actual text. It's putting it as an image. Which one do you like more? I like it more when it's text because I can go in and correct it. Here, see when this, for example, this is not necessary, so I'll delete it. Now I will, because I wasn't able to amend the text here, I will delete it and paste it again. Yeah. All right, so Lovable is better in this way. I can edit the text. Okay, now let's go. Start. Boom. Let's go. Off to the races. Okay, Replit on the left, Lovable on the right. All right, so here's the first question that Replit is saying, add Gemini to your app using Replit's managed service. No API key required. Charges are billed their credits. Okay, of course. Lovable is giving me a preview of what they will build. In terms of text, you'll be designing premium barbershop for Gaithersburg. Okay, okay. It auto-approved. By the way, the integration for Gemini, it auto-approved. There's a setting that Lovable has, which is always allow. Okay, so a premium barbershop for Gators with booking, Stripe payments, email confirmation, AI charge assistant. Okay, yes. And so it's asking, do you want me to build the entire app or start with design? See, Lovable did not ask it, it just created it. But Replit is asking me, let's do the entire app. Preview will be available soon. Speeding up preview. Very similar. A premium barbershop website for Gaithersburg. A stunning premium barber for Gaithersburg face with dark elegance. All right. Boom. Lovable has something. Gaithersburg Premium Face Studio. Look at this. Our services, our work. Wow. This is great. It's been just a couple of minutes and already Gate Lovable is showing me something. All right, now let's test it. Okay, let's see what it said. I built a stunning premium barbershop for Gaithersburg. What's next? Add Stripe. Yes, add Stripe and resend. Stripe restricted key. All right, let's go to Stripe. I've got it open right here. Is this for Stripe test account? I'll say we will be using Stripe test account. Okay, restricted key. Where do I get AK? AK. Okay, let's search for restrict API keys. SK test. SK test. Okay, here we go. Here it is. All right. Okay, how's Replit doing? All right, they're asking for the same thing. Okay, okay, I got a secret key. And then the PK test. Where's PK test? PK test. Okay, here we go. PK test here. Boom, boom. Resend. Okay, now Lovable is asking for a resend API key. Okay, so we go to resend. Here's my resend account. API key. Race. Let's call this the race. Full access. Add. Okay, here is my key. Boom. Put it in here. All right, let's go to Replit. All right. Lovable is going ahead. Yes. Create prices. Wants to add prices in Stripe. Go ahead. All right. I like to have, yes, continue. All right. So one thing I like about Replit is that it saw that in the previous project I had used resend. So it's asking me if it can reuse that connection. So I don't need to enter my API key. Very good. Very good. I like it. I click continue with connection, but now it stopped. Did you forget to add the page to the router? What router are they talking about? Okay, now we're stuck. I click continue with connection and it stopped. Okay, what should I do? Replit has fallen behind. It's stuck. Okay, let's refresh the page. Okay, here we go. Continue with connection. Continue building. Okay, we're back in business now. Now let's go check on allow. So we're creating different products. In Stripe, for Lovable, we're creating different products. Yeah, for Classic Fade, $35. These are products we're creating on Stripe. Yes. Okay, let's do always allow. So I don't have to allow each product. Always allow. All right. I will have all the integration set up. I'll create a comprehensive. All right, you're going well. Replit, keep going, keep going. You might be able to catch up. It doesn't look like it, but you might be able to catch up. Lovable is racing ahead, creating products in Stripe. Okay, it's generating images. All right. We didn't have this in Lovable, by the way. These images, we just saw them on the preview screen. We did not see the progress in creating the images. So this is interesting. I would have preferred just to see the website in full. Instead of seeing these components, bits, and pieces of the website. All right, come on, Replit. Replit, you can go. You can do it. Look at this haircut. Okay. Lovable encountered an error. Is trying to fix it. Okay, it fixed it by itself. I didn't have to click anything. All right. Come on, Replit. Show me what you got. All right. Lovable is still building. You still have time, Replit. Bum, 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 bum. 404 page not found. Reuters Gatorsburg Premier Face Studio. I think it's getting hard, Replit. It'll be hard for you to catch up now. Look at it, look at it. I think it's winding down. Lovable is saying Stripe and recent integration is complete. Booking form now processes payments. Okay, it's done. Okay, it's saying it's done, but let's test it, okay? Book your fade today. Let's get my name. Classic fade. Let's say today. Time. Let's do 10 a.m. Okay, I don't like this. You pick it by the minute. Okay, let's do 10:30 a.m. Okay, confirm booking. Okay, there's an error. Okay, fix it. All right. While it's fixing the error, let's check what Replit is doing. Okay, Replit is still vibing. Okay, that's good. When will this disappear? Replit? Okay. All right, it fixed it, yeah? We know it's fixed because now there is a enter button, yeah? There's no stop button. All right, confirm booking. All right, because this is test account, we can just add 00. Boom. This is Classic Fade, $35. We'll be making a payment. Okay. Did the email get sent right now? All right, did I get the email? Booking confirmed. 10:30. Wow, it worked. I just got the email 0 minutes ago. Oh, fantastic. Look at that. Look at that. I got the email, the confirmation email. Stripe payment went through. Actually, let's go to Stripe and verify that the payment went through. Home. Where was it? Transactions. Okay, we got transactions. Right here. $35. Fantastic. Fantastic. Here's the payment. Professional fade haircut. Fantastic. All right. All right. Now that Stripe is left, what is next? Here's the design from Replit. Very nice. Very nice. And here's the design from Lovable. Which one do you like more? Replit has a really good design. I cannot see the Gaithersburg fade text, but look at the background image chosen. It's really good. Yes, next is we need to set up the AI assistant. Let's go with AI chat. I think it's in the process of setting up and Gemini. Stripe recent and Gemini integrations. Let's test this. Okay. It's still in process, so that's why it's failing. So what Lovable is working on right now is the Gemini powered chat assistant. It'll be on the homepage on the right side. So what Lovable is doing is it's just building and building one feature at a time, yeah? But Replit is doing is all the features at once. Different approach, yeah? But the price they're saying 45 minutes, $45, 45 minutes, $30 beard sculpting. Here you go, $30, 30 minutes. All right. Why choose Gaithersburg? Our work. Okay, here we go. Our work. Very similar. About Gaithersburg Fade Studio. Does it have it? Okay, it doesn't have it here. It has no testimonials. It's very good. Visit us. Visit us. Visit our studio right here. Well, look at it. It already did the map automatically. It doesn't have it here. So the top of the page is much better on Replit. This in terms of design. Yeah. Lovable can do improvement, but with a little bit of adjustment, this can be fixed very easily. If we scroll down though, it's much nicer on Lovable. It's much clearer text, much crisper. Because it's much better. Yeah, it's very hard to read this, and these boxes should have been darker. I don't know why there's so many four identical images, but it looks nice. Okay, yeah. Lovable so far ahead. Overall, Lovable ahead. Okay, here it goes. It's asking for test stripe key. Test stripe key begins with PK. All right, let's go. Okay, pop up home. Publishable key. Publishable key. PK. Okay, SK. Secret key right here, and publish key. Let's get the publish key. Okay, here we go. Okay, these guys, this is done. Gemini is done. Let's test Gemini. What? Okay, I can read the text that I'm typing. Yeah. Okay, let's type in. What are your hours today? We'll work on the design aspect later. Okay, for now, let's just focus on functionality. What are your hours today? We're open till 7 p.m. Monday. All right. Let's check. Is it correct? We're open till 7. Yes, you're open till 7. All right. Is your phone number? Okay, here. See, I cannot read the text. You can reach it. Boom. Fantastic. All right. Let's just fix these glaring UI issues. When I type in. Okay, still vibing. Okay, we cannot. So Lovable is done functionally. We just have AI issues to fix. I think it'll fix them very soon. Make the. Let's refresh. I still cannot see my. I still cannot see the text I am writing. I cannot see it. I need to highlight to see what I've written. While Lovable fixes, let's look at Replit. What is Replit up to? Still vibing. All right, it's running tests. Very interesting. Very interesting. It can run tests. Okay. Let's wait for the test results. Now let's go back to Lovable. What is going on there? Lovable, it's taking a long time to fix the text color. Oh, there we go. Fantastic. It's done. Fantastic. All right. What what is your address? Let's see. Now I can see my text, but I cannot see the text in the chat window. Okay, let's take a screenshot and send it to Lovable to fix. I cannot see my text. Looks beautiful, right? When I can see my text. But then this, I cannot see. Let's fix this. Lovable. Replit, this is an opportunity for you to catch up. Come on, Replit. You're still vibing. I have not tested the functionality even. Let's go again. Book your appointment, precision cut, Marcos, tomorrow, 10 a.m. Continue. All right, still vibing. All right, Lovable. Will you be fixing this very soon? Or will Replit finish building? Which one will come first? Okay. It finally sees the issue. Why did it take so long for it to see the issue? Okay, fantastic. Look at this. Now I can see my text. What is your address? I can see my text. What are your hours? Fantastic. Fantastic. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, this doesn't look good. All right, let's fix this too. Okay. I can see. These must be HTML tags. Okay, while we're designing UI issues with Lovable, Replit is still building, still working on the functional issues. Will we see the ready website from Replit today? What do you guys think? Still vibing. Okay, it's fixing issues. Okay. Edit markdown rendering. Now bold text lists another markdown format will display property in the. Okay, let's go. What are your hours today? What are your hours this week? Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. It fixed it. Fixed the rendering. All right, let's close this now. What else should we do? I think it's done, right? Services here. Very nice. Very nice. Look at this animation. Our work. If I click on this, what happens? Nothing. Oh, I see. These are different beard cuts, fade, haircut, fade haircut, Gentleman's cut looks identical to me. Beard sculpting, right? That's fine. About Gator Book Studio, boom. Okay, we got a ready website. All right, I'll close the chat sidebar, and let's just look at this website. Now let's look at it from different views. This is the laptop or desktop view. This is the iPad view. This is the phone, mobile experience. Very nice mobile too, right? From mobile, let's chat. The window, it's not fitting on the chat. Yeah, we can fix it. Sure, we can fix it easily. But still, very nice, beautiful. All right, guys, Lovable is done. Website, okay. Main UI issues are resolved. We can make appointments. We can chat. We can see on the map the location. We are getting emails. I can click this button to see the website. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. All right, let's check on Replit now. Replit, where are you? Still vibing. Still vibing. How much more will it vibe? Replit still vibing. Testing your app, sending results to agent. It looks like the booking process has a hiccup. All right, I see no errors. Okay, is it getting closer to finishing? But the continue button is not working. All right. I was just testing. Looks like Replit is stuck to me. Look at it. I'm starting browser to see website. Navigating. Okay, let's check. What is this? Okay. All right. Okay, Replit is stuck, guys. So, my friends, we've tested Lovable versus Replit. The clear winner here is, by design, by functionality, by speed, Lovable. All right. Replit looked promising, but it did not get the work done. All right. Still testing. All right. Still testing. It's stuck. All right. I don't know how much more we have to wait. The results are clear. All right. Who would you like to see tested next? Lovable versus who? Write your request in the comments.